Hi everyone, welcome to the Lookbook. If you're new here, hi, my name is Atisha and this is my Colaba clothing haul video. Now for years मैंने YouTube पे Colaba, Sarojini and Hill Road haul videos देखे हैं, but I never got the chance to go there. So this was my first experience street shopping, and let me tell you that sunscreen, mask and water bottle, they are a must. Now my bargaining skills are non-existent, but Mumbai में मेरी cousin and मौसी रहती हैं and मेरे साथ मेरी मामा भी गई थी, so they helped me out, but still I think सब कुछ 50-100 रुपए ऊपर ही लिया है, so it depends how well you're able to bargain. Now I did get some super cool pieces. So if you like this video, please do hit the like button and also subscribe if you're new to my channel. Now without further ado, let's jump right in. Just for reference, हम लोग कैफे मॉन्टेग्रो की साइड से एंटर किए थे and after that it's like a long parallel lane जहाँ पे दोनों sides पे छोटे छोटे shops होते हैं and one item like this one top you'll find in 3 to 4 stores and किसी भी top पे, at least the tops I got, किसी पे भी size नहीं लिखा है, so it's kind of a guessing game. Now let's start with the one that I'm wearing right now. This is a super cute crop top and the length and fit is perfect. I really like the soothing tones on top and नीचे एक corally red shade है. ना इसके अलावा भी वहाँ पे बहुत सारे different color shades में मिलेंगे आपको, like more brighter shades and more darker shades. The neck is a very simple round neck and yeah, the material is also pretty good, and if you have any denim skirts, blue, black, whatever it is, it will look really amazing with this. It has to be high-waisted though because this is kind of cropped, so yes, I'm really happy with it. Now to my favorite few pieces from Colaba. This top is such a stunning shade of green and the fitting is perfection. I love the hands on this. If you have seen my street style store haul, then you know that I love square necklines with puffed up sleeves like this, and it's mesh detailing, so it looks kind of cute. And yes, so that stall that I got this from, it had the same design in many different patterns and shades, so you can pick and choose. I got two and this is one of my favorites, so now let me show you the other one. And I got this for 300, but honestly I would have paid way more for this. And this is my favorite item from Colaba. I mean, look at the shade. It's such a beautiful muted creamy white, and the hands, they look so pretty. It's perfection. The fitting is perfect, and the neckline, again, I love square necks. So yes, I'm really glad I got this. That stall, it's heaven. Just go there and get any two colors, patterns that you want and you'll be sorted. Now onto some jewelry pieces. This is one that my cousin picked for me and it is such a unique design. Like, at least I haven't seen many like this. Like, it's a plain gold. There's no other color on it. I'll put this on and show you guys. This honestly looks so good. I'm so glad she picked this for me because this is not something I would pick for myself. It's kind of quirky, but it looks really stunning. And this is the one that I picked for myself, and I don't know why I picked this. I mean, it looks beautiful, but then I already have about 5 to 6 pairs of gold hoop earrings. Definitely did not need this. It looks beautiful, so if you're in search of one, then go for it. Now for the longest time, I wanted some dainty neck pieces, but I couldn't find the perfect one. While Shein was around, everyone bought theirs from Shein, and I wasn't buying from Shein at the time. So I finally got my hand on some really stunning ones. It's star shaped and looks so pretty. I'm so glad I got this. You can definitely make this shorter. It is kind of a task putting this on, so I put it on the last loop, but yes, it looks so pretty. The next one, I'm not even kidding, I had this exact piece wishlisted on Shein. It's a 3-layered neck piece and it's honestly the same 3 layers that I had there, and there were so many more like this. I'll insert a clip of the ones that were available there, and I picked this because honestly I wanted this for the longest time since I'd seen this on Shein. So yes, I finally got it. Doesn't this look so pretty? So definitely get some of these dainty jewelries, earrings. You'll also find some gold ethnic ones, but I didn't want those, so I didn't get those. I also wanted some shades, sunglasses, but then nothing fit my face. Everything looked so big, so I did not go for those. So after this, we went to Leopold Cafe and had some lunch, and the food there was amazing. I'll insert some clips, and whatever we ordered was so yummy. So yes, except for that one stall that I'm going to show you guys after this, where I bought 3 tops and everything was kind of a bummer. Everything else that I bought was amazing. The next one is a very basic black top. Now the neck is pretty cute, but I really don't like the fit of this. It's super tight. I got this for around 250 or 300, which is not a good rate for this. It should have been, like, because it's from Colaba, it should have been 200 max. So yes, I kind of regret buying this. It looks good here, it looks good like this. So yeah, I'm just going to use this in my makeup videos, but not anywhere else. The next top as well, I'm not sure why I got this. Like, the color is stunning. It's a beautiful shade of blue and it's my favorite shade, but that's it. That's about the only good thing about it. Kind of loose, but even if it wasn't, it just doesn't make sense. If someone is able to style it, then maybe it will look amazing, but for me, other than the stunning color, there's nothing that's great about this top. So I don't know, again, this is something that I'm just going to be using in my videos, and I kind of don't mind because Colaba मैं इसीलिए गई थी कि I can have bunch of new tops, because हर YouTube video, हर Instagram video के लिए मुझे नए नए tops चाहिए होता है, आई लुक के साथ मैच करने के लिए हो या फिर किसी celebrity look को recreate करने के लिए हो. So I kind of don't mind it, but yeah, for someone else I don't think this would make much sense. Now this is that one shop जहाँ से मैंने ये तीनों के तीनों टॉप्स खरीदे हैं and सब flop sort of हुए हैं. So this one, and it is so big. It's like 2 to 3 sizes larger, and there's honestly, I don't know, I should get this fixed because the color is so pretty. So that is it for this video, guys. I got some amazing items from Colaba and I cannot wait to go on my next street shopping trip, maybe to Sarojini as well someday. And yes, if you're planning to go there, do make sure that you have your mask, sunscreen on, and a water bottle. You definitely need those. Try the food at Leopold Cafe, and I do hope that the clips that I inserted, they'll help you out. So that being said, I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button. That really helps me out, and also subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my Instagram. I post a lot of makeup and fashion related content there as well. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.